How to permanently delete your Viber on your iPhone. If you're struggling to find out how to do that, this video is right for you as we will show you some steps on how you can do that. Firstly, long press on Viber app. Now it will show you some options like this in which you have to tap on the first option called Remove App. It will now show you if you want to remove, or you can just simply long press and leave your app like this and tap on the minus sign on the top of your app. When you do this, it will now show you something like Delete App. Tap on Delete App. After you delete your Viber app, after 2 weeks, your Viber account will automatically be deleted on your friend's phone or on everywhere on the Viber. If you want to download your Viber again and reactivate your account, you can do so by going on App Store. In this way, you can delete or reactivate your Viber app. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.